This is Trevor in Thailand again. We're now at Lakrabang Road. It's very noisy here. They're building something about the bridge. I mean the bridge that goes over this area. There's only a small creek up further, but they're doing a lot of work here. As you can see, pedestrians can come up here though. Unbelievable. There's some sort of crane here lifting something. The amount of equipment here is unbelievable. It's really fantastic. TikTok. You'll be on YouTube. YouTube videos and TikTok. Look at this construction in here. I've never seen anything like it. Makes Australian construction look amateurs. Unbelievable. There's so many people working here too. Whoa, look at that thing. Oh dear. It's a bit dark in there. I think the camera can't get it. Anyway, if this video is no good, I won't put it up. Take care.